Welcome to our channel Wealth Concept 365 Introduction. Ever wondered how your online banking or private messages stay secure? It's all thanks to encryption. In this video, we'll break down the basics of symmetric, asymmetric, and hashing with fun examples, share practical tips, and include a quiz and hands-on exercises to make it stick. Let's unlock the world of encryption. What is encryption? Encryption scrambles data into an unreadable format, like a secret code, so only authorized people with the right key can access it. It's vital for protecting passwords, emails, and more. The 2025 Unit 40 report notes that encryption cuts data breach impact by up to 70%. Types of encryption: symmetric, asymmetric, hashing. Let's explore the three main types of encryption. 1. Symmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption uses a single key to both lock, encrypt, and unlock, decrypt data. Think of it like a house key, same key for both doors. Example: a company uses AES-56 to encrypt employee records, so only those with the key can access them. It's fast but requires secure key sharing. On screen text, AES-56, Common Symmetric Encryption Standard. 2. Asymmetric Encryption. Asymmetric encryption uses a pair of keys, a public key to encrypt and a private key to decrypt. Imagine sending a locked box anyone can lock, but only you have the key to open it. Example: when you visit a secure website like HTTPS, your browser uses RSA to encrypt data, keeping your credit card details safe. RSA, used in HTTPS for secure browsing. 3. Hashing. Hashing creates a fixed-length fingerprint of data that can't be reversed. It's not for encryption, but for verifying data integrity. Example: a bank hashes your password. When you log in, it checks the hash matches without storing the actual password. On screen text, SHA-56, Common Hashing Algorithm. Learn more about encryption. https://www.techpublic.com/article/encryption-101. Why encryption matters. Encryption is your digital armor. Without it, a hacker stealing your laptop could read your files. With encryption, those files are gibberish without the key. For example, a healthcare provider encrypted patient data, preventing a breach when a device was stolen. The 2024 Verizon DBIR shows 68% of breaches involve unprotected data, proving encryption's value. On screen text, 68% of breaches involve unprotected data. Verizon 2024 DBIR. https://www.verizon.com/business/ngb. Resources, reports, 2024 DBIR, 2020 for DBIR Data Breach Investigations Report. PDF: How Encryption Works in Real Life. Here's how encryption keeps you safe. 1. Symmetric in action. A company uses AES to encrypt its cloud backups. Even if hackers access the cloud, they can't read the data without the key. 2. Asymmetric in action. You send an encrypted email using PGP, pretty good privacy. The recipient's public key locks it, and only their private key unlocks it. 3. Hashing in action. A website stores your password as a hash. Even if the database leaks, hackers can't reverse the hash to get your password. Regular training helps employees understand these tools. KnowBe4 reports that encryption training reduces phishing risks by 40%. On screen text, 40% risk reduction with training. KnowBe4, https://www.knowbe4.com/. Practice quiz. Let's test your encryption knowledge. Pause to answer or follow along. 1. What does symmetric encryption use? To keys. B. One key. C. No keys. D. A hash? Answer B. One key locks and unlocks the data. 2. What is the role of a public key in asymmetric encryption? Decrypts data. B. Encrypts data. C. Verifies integrity. D. Stores passwords. Answer B. The public key encrypts, the private key decrypts. 3. What is hashing primarily used for? Encrypting data. B. Verifying data integrity. C. Speeding up data transfer. D. Backing up data. Answer B. Hashing ensures data hasn't been altered. 4. Which encryption type is used in secure websites HTTPS? Symmetric. B. Asymmetric. C. Hashing. D. None. Answer B. Asymmetric, like RSA secures HTTPS connections. 5. True or false? Hashing can be reversed to recover original data. Answer false. Hashing is one way ensuring data integrity. Lab-based exercises. Try these exercises to practice encryption. 1. Symmetric encryption demo. Use VeraCrypt to encrypt a sample file with AES. Share the key securely and decrypt it to see how it works. On screen text, VeraCrypt, https://www.veracrypt.fr/n/home.html2. Asymmetric encryption practice. Set up a mock email system using GPG-NUPG to send encrypted messages with public-private key pairs. Test decryption with the private key. On screen text, NUPG, https://gnupg.org/3. Hashing verification. Use an online SHA-256 tool to hash a password and compare it with a second hash to verify integrity. Discuss why hashes differ if data changes. For online training modules, explore encryption courses on Cybersecurity or SANS to deepen your understanding. On screen text, Cybersecurity, https://www.cybrary.it/sans, https://www.sans.org/conclusion. Encryption is your key to a secure digital world. By mastering symmetric, asymmetric, and hashing, you can protect sensitive data from cyber threats. Visit the on-screen resources to keep learning, and let's make encryption your superpower. Please like, share, and subscribe for more on cybersecurity.